Britain is facing a political earthquake. The Prime Minister himself is defying the Supreme Court, and the entire country is watching history unfold. You're watching Britain Stream, where we bring you the truth the mainstream media won't touch. If you want real, verified updates with no spin, you're in the right place. At the very heart of British politics, an unprecedented crisis is shaking the system. Prime Minister Keir Starmer has refused to comply with a historic Supreme Court ruling ordering him to resign. The allegations against him are serious and wide-ranging. Over £124,000 in undeclared benefits linked to undervalued property deals, secret offshore bank accounts, luxury trips funded by political donors, and multiple breaches of the ministerial code. Instead of stepping down, Starmer issued a brief statement accusing the court of political interference. That single move triggered chaos across the government. Within 48 hours of the ruling, the cracks became impossible to hide. Cabinet ministers resigned in large numbers, some in disgust, others refusing to serve under a leader in contempt of the law. Civil servants have shifted into caretaker mode, halting decision-making as the uncertainty deepens. Inside Labour, internal leaks tell a damning story: whistleblowers ignored, investigations buried, and regulatory bodies threatened with legal action if they push too far. Meanwhile, public anger is boiling over. From London to Leeds, Manchester to Glasgow, massive protests are demanding Starmer's immediate resignation. Chants of resign or be removed are echoing through Whitehall and Westminster. The numbers speak for themselves. 74% of the public believe Starmer must resign now. 61% support royal intervention if he refuses to obey the court. Labour's approval ratings have crashed. Reform UK and smaller parties are surging as more voters turn their backs on establishment politics. The crisis is so severe that Buckingham Palace is reportedly preparing for a rarely used constitutional move. King Charles III, known for his duty to the nation, is in daily contact with legal advisors. If the monarchy steps in, it would be the first royal intervention in domestic politics in over a century. And the world is watching. Washington has called for a swift, lawful resolution. In Brussels, EU leaders are questioning Britain's political stability. Even Commonwealth nations are expressing concern that the mother of parliamentary democracy is now flirting with institutional collapse. This is no longer just a political scandal, it is a test of Britain's democracy, its institutions, and the trust between leaders and the people. Here at Britain Stream, our only mission is to deliver factual, verified news, so you can decide where you stand. If you found this report useful, please give this video a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Britain Stream for more truth-driven updates from across the UK.